Hello Mushkins, and in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how to make a clear slime. And then to make this video a little bit more interesting, I wanted to show you different things that you can add to clear slime to change the texture completely. And all of these things that I'll be showing you in this video are very easily accessible, so you can definitely replicate this video at home. So for this clear slime tutorial, I will be using this clear slime glue that you can buy at most stationery stores like P&A. And the only reason I'm using this glue is because I still had a few bottles left over from a previous tutorial that I did. And this glue is very expensive. So if you are looking for cheaper glues to use, we have used so many different brands of glue in different tutorials on our YouTube channel. So just go and have a look for those tutorials. And clear slime is actually so easy to make because you only need your activator solution and your glue. So to make your activator solution, you will need some borax powder and a measuring cup. So all you have to do is measure out half a teaspoon of borax powder and then just a little bit less than half a teaspoon of borax powder. Add that all into a little cup and then add some warm water. Make sure that it's all dissolved and then add in the rest of, cold water so that you end up with 1 cup of activator solution. And this is more than enough to make your clear slime. And then the next thing you have to do is just add all of your glue, or as much glue as you want, to your mixing bowl. And then you are just going to need to add your cooled down activator solution in little amounts at a time and just stir. And then just a little tip, make sure that you don't stir your solution very fast, otherwise too many bubbles will form and you'll just have to wait longer for the clear slime to clear up completely. So just stir in this upward type motion, and that will make sure that all the activator is mixed in, but you have the least amount of bubbles. And then once you are brave enough, you can start going in with your hands. Make sure that you have activator on your hands before touching the slime, and that will prevent any annoying stickiness coming in between your fingers. And then once you are happy with the texture of your slime, just put it in an airtight container and just set it aside for a day or two, and then all the bubbles will get out of the slime and you'll have a perfectly clear slime. And don't worry if your slime is too over activated, because it will relax over time. For the rest of this video, I wanted to show you guys a bunch of different slime ingredients that you can add to clear slime specifically to turn it into a completely different type of slime texture. So the first ingredient that I will be adding is foam beads, and we actually sell these foam beads on our website if you are interested in adding it to your own slime creations at home. So adding foam beads to clear slime specifically turns the slime into this really crunchy, bubbly, awesome slime. It's one of my favorite slime textures just because it's so addictive to play with, and the crunches you get from it is just not matched by any other type of slime. And then all the slimes that I will be showing off for the rest of this video all have a little theme to them to make it a little bit more interesting. So this foam bead crunchy slime has a Candyland theme to it, which is why I added all of these beautiful colorful sprinkles to the slime. Next, I will be making another super crunchy slime, but this time I will be using Slush beads, and we also sell Slush beads on our website if you are interested. These are little plastic pellets that you can add to slime, and it makes a really heavy slime, which is quite nice to hold sometimes, but the Slush beads can actually fall out of the slime sometimes if you stretch it too fast, so that's just a little bit annoying when you are playing with the slime, but it doesn't bother me that much. And then the Slush beads turn the slime into a really crunchy bubbly slime, the same as the foam bead slime. And then the theme of this one is a strawberry slushy, which is why I added some strawberry Fimo slices and some pink shredded glitter. The next ingredient that I will be adding to clear slime is fishbowl beads, and the ones that I'm showing in this video are heart shaped, and the traditional fishbowl beads are actually round and a little bit smaller, but I just had to use these ones for this video, and it kind of creates the same effect as traditional fishbowl beads. And what makes them different from Slush beads is they are a little bit rounder, and traditionally they are quite transparent, which is different to the Slush beads. So I really like these ones. They also make a really awesome crunchy slime. And the theme of this one, if you haven't guessed it already, is some type of space glittery type themed slime. The next ingredient that I will be adding to clear slime to change the texture is jelly cubes, and this is actually just a cut up memory foam sponge, which you can buy at most stores like Pick n Pay, Macro, or anywhere really. And you just take the sponge and you chop it up into little blocks or any shape you want. And what's fun about these jelly cubes is that it makes quite a bubbly, crunchy slime. And then an added bonus is being able to crush the little jelly cubes and make cute little popping sounds. And then once they soak up a lot of the slime, you can crush them even more, and you can get a really weird looking textured clear slime. That's a lot of fun to play with. And if you haven't guessed it already, the theme of this one is some type of fruit jelly slime. The next ingredient that I will be adding to my clear slime is fake snow, and this fake snow is different to instant snow, which is snow that expands when you add water to it. This one arrives like this, and it's these tiny little shards of plastic, and when you add it to slime, any basic slime or clear slime, you make a snow fizz slime. That's what the slime texture is called, and it's this really addictive, sizzly, crunchy, soft crunchy slime. And the theme of this one that I wanted to try and create is a type of candy coconut ice type slime. The fake snow that I used to make this specific slime in this video was actually imported from America, and I haven't actually found the exact same stuff here in South Africa, but I did find something similar at Chinatown a long time ago, and this is a little bit thicker or wider than the normal fake snow, but it could work if you maybe chop it up a little bit finer and add it to slime. A really fun ingredient to add to clear slime specifically is pom-poms, and you can get really giant pom-poms from P&A, and when you add the pom-poms to clear slime and let it soak for a little bit, you can squeeze the pom-poms and they make these really satisfying bubble pops and little squeaks that are just so much fun to play with. And then another really fun thing to add to clear slime that you can't really do with any other types of slime because it just doesn't have the same effect is color shifting pigment or shimmer pigment. It's just so beautiful because as you stretch the slime, the colors of the pigment just come through, and it's just so beautiful. The next ingredient that you can add to slime is snow powder, and we actually do sell this snow powder on our website if you are interested in adding it to your own slimes. And you can do so much with snow powder. You can use it to make jelly slime, which is what I'm making here in this video right now, and then you can also use it to make icing slime and cloud slime, and there's just so much you can do with it. So to make your jelly slime, you are going to need to add a little bit of the snow powder to your clear slime, mix that in, and then leave it to stand for about an hour or two or even a week to get the really awesome thick texture. And what happens is the snow powder actually expands into the clear slime and it turns into this really thick awesome texture. And then the theme of this slime that I will be making is a jelly bean themed slime. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope that you enjoyed seeing all of these different things that you can do with clear slime. It's one of my favorite textures of slime, and you can do so much with it. And then to end off this video, I just wanted to make a little slime smoothie of all the different textures that I made in this video, and it turned into a really awesome crunchy slime.